be teaching you fanning, which looks like this, and I'm super excited to teach this. It's one of my favorite tricks. I do it all day long. Okay, so to start off, I'd suggest that you go learn the fan flourish tutorial before this. It looks like this, and it's pretty easy. It's only like one rotation, but it's going to get you into the rhythm of this trick. It's up above and in the description below. To start this trick, you're going to hold the knife by the safe handle, and you're going to be doing a double rollout to get to the final position. You could start like this and just do one swing like that, but I'd prefer you start like this because this is the normal starting position for most tricks. So you're going to go out and do a double rollout, and then you're going to come around like this into the fan. And so this is the momentum that's going to cause you to even be close to doing the fan right. So I'd practice this. So watch the handle. This handle, the bite handle, is the most important in this. It's coming up, around, and going this way. So it's going away from you. So you're doing a double rollout, and then you're going, the handle's coming towards you, going away from you, and then that's when you get the momentum to start doing the trick. And I don't know if you've noticed, but the trick should always be with the whole handle flat, going like this. And if it looks like this, which yours will probably look like this in the beginning, you're doing it wrong. The faster you get the fan, the more it will look like that, the correct way. So once you get the beginning down, in order to do this part that I'm doing really fast right now, you're pushing with your thumb away from you. You're pushing, and you have all your fingers, and you're spinning the knife in your hand. But that's in the very beginning when you're getting the momentum going. Then you start spinning your wrist, and you loosen up your grip. Do you see my grip is loose on my hand? So I'm basically taking this and I'm spinning it. I'm making sure the handle's staying in place with my thumb and my index finger, and I'm spinning it at the same time. But it's such a loose grip, and I'm definitely using more of my arm to do this than my wrist. Watch, this is what it would look like without arm. You would just be trying to spin it without any flow, and that's not the correct way. So you're definitely using a little bit of your wrist and arm to spin the knife like that, and it's a very loose grip. The whole point of your hand being here is to balance the handle so it just keeps spinning. You see how it's like going back and forth in my hand too? It's kind of going back and forth. It's going back and forth this way, towards me and away from me, and that's how I'm getting that rhythm going. Okay, so the ending of the trick is the last part. So once you're in this loop, and you can go on forever with this, you can end it by flicking it this way, out, to your right, and then up. But you can also end it many other ways. I'm just giving you the most simple way to end the trick, because once you're in this loop, you're like, oh no, how do I get out of it? Well, you go out and here. Another thing people have asked me questions about is if the fan is supposed to be going up like this or sideways like this. Some people go up when they're doing it, but then sometimes when I'm in the middle of a combo, I will go sideways. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have.